Hello everyone and welcome back to another video from Wake&Tech. In this video, I'm going to show you how to change your email address on Twitch. So let's get started right away. First of all, open up your web browser and then in the address bar type in twitch.tv and press enter. Now you will be taken into the official Twitch website from which you can click on the login button at the top right corner and use your credentials to log into your account. Now after you have been logged into your account, you will be taken into the Twitch homepage from which you can browse through various streams. Now if you wish to change your email address, click on your profile icon at the top right corner and then click on settings. Now from the settings menu, click on security and privacy, and from the security and privacy menu, you will find your email section. Click on the edit icon at the right side and you will be able to enter your new email address. Just type in your desired new email address and then type it in once again to confirm it. You can then tap on the save button and now you will be asked to enter your password in order to verify this email change. Just type in your password and tap on the verify button and now you will be asked to enter the verification code that has been sent to your email address. Just log into your old email address and you will find the verification code. Just enter this verification code within the verification box and now you will be asked to enter the code that has been sent to your new email address. So check your inbox within your new email address and you can either copy and paste the verification code or click on verify your account. And now your email change will successfully be verified. And there you have it. That is how easy it is to change your email address on Twitch. If you find this video helpful, make sure you hit that like button and subscribe to our channel if you haven't done so already. Also ring that notification bell to never miss another update from us. Thank you for watching and I will see you again in the next video.